dive from right here?
No.
I don't blame you, Kev.
I don't think so.
I'm just scared of hitting my fucking foot on that rock.
That would hurt.
What rock?
Try.
That's what I see, if you do that, you gotta go out and straight down.
Yeah, or else you
If
hit the
straight
fucking
down,
edge.
because like usually if I dive, I'm going to do shallow dive because the water's not deep. And there ain't really no shallow diving when you're diving from straight down.
That's a little crazy diving from right there too.
Hey, Joe, this rope.
Oh God, Kev! We better stop filming. You gonna jump, Daniel?
Thing's got a crack in it.
Where are you jumping from?
Right here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you doing, Riddle?
Sit on my log.
How is he? Oh,
Dive, Daniel. Oh shit!
face. Oh shit!